Hi, this is Gary with Aldan American. Today I'm going to show you the new coilover conversion kit that we offer for the G-bodies. The 78 to 87 Monte Carlo, El Camino, Grand National are some of the popular models. Included in this kit is the Spohn A-arms. Delrin bushings and ball joints are already installed, and they include a special end link for the sway bar. The heart of the kit is the Aldan American double adjustable shocks. Has a compression adjuster on the bottom, a rebound adjuster on the top, and the spring seat moves up and down so that you can adjust your ride height, allowing you to get the ride height just right. Included in the package is the thrust bearings, the spanner wrench, the hardware, making it truly a bolt-on and go kit. For more information about this package or any other Aldan American products, you can check us out at aldanamerican.com or you can give us a call on our tech line.